Have you noticed this? Some people don't follow the crowd and yet they are not trying to be different either. They reply late, they avoid unnecessary drama, they think quietly while everyone else is talking loudly. And you catch yourself thinking, why do they do things so differently? Today, let's talk about why some intelligent people don't move like everyone else does. Not because they are better, but because their brain is wired to play a slightly different game. First thing you'll notice, they pause before reacting. While others instantly reply to messages, jump into arguments, or give opinions on everything, intelligent people often stop and think. Not because they are slow, but because they are processing. They had rather respond once with clarity than react 10 times emotionally. Silence for them is not awkward, it's strategic. Second thing, they don't explain themselves all the time. If something makes sense to them, they don't feel the need to convince the whole world. You will rarely hear them say, "Let me justify this." They understand that not everyone needs an explanation, and not everyone will understand anyway. So they save their energy. Third, they are comfortable being alone. While some people fear loneliness, intelligent people often enjoy solitude. Not because they dislike people, but because their best ideas usually show up when things are quiet. Think of it like this: crowds are noisy, but thoughts prefer silence. Another interesting habit: they question common rules. Not in a rebellious way, more like, does this actually make sense? They don't blindly follow trends, traditions, or popular opinions. If something feels illogical, they'll quietly step away, even if everyone else is running in the opposite direction. And here is a subtle one: they choose their battles carefully. They know not every argument is worth winning. Sometimes the smartest move is not saying anything at all. Not because they're weak, but because peace is more valuable than proving a point. Final thought: intelligence does not always look impressive. Sometimes it looks calm, sometimes quiet, sometimes misunderstood. So, when you see someone doing things differently, don't rush to judge. They might not be the lost, they might just be thinking 3 steps ahead, while everyone else is busy making noise. And if some of these habits felt familiar, well, now you know why. Hi guys, if you have watched the video so far, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.